I'm feeling your vibe. That's what Taurus and Libra are. They're vibe. We're talking vibe here. What's up? Like for the algorithm. Subscribe, click the bell icon so that you get a video a day, because I'm putting that out. Aside from Saturday and Sunday, I got you. If you're trying to learn something that has to do with astrology, just click one of my videos and just turn your brain off, because I'm really not saying much, and just use your ears. And if you stay committed to doing that, it can be just like how when you wake up in the morning, you make your bed. When you go back to bed, you're not looking at a messed up bed. When you think about astrology, you're not telling yourself, man, I need to study more astrology. Oh, I should have read an article on astrology today. Oh, I should have watched a video on astrology today. Just be like, okay, Antoine does astrology. Oh, okay, I'm gonna learn astrology by having my notification bell on. 4 o'clock every day. Oh, Antoine did another video. Oh, he did another video. Oh, he did another video. It's that simple. You click the video, there it is. Develop yourself. And then the next time you're like, oh, did I learn astrology today? Yep, I listened to Antoine talk about it today. That's it. That's all it takes. Build that consistency in your brain, and you will have it all, wisdom-wise. That's simple. It's literally that simple. Just take it day by day. Astro Finesse does some pretty dope astrology videos as well. If you get a little tired of listening to me, listen to that dude. There's a lot of people that talk about astrology. So subscribe, bell icon, video every day, all constant notification. Stick around to the end of the video. Got a call to action. From me to you, thank you. Enjoy your day, and blessings. Gandhi said something cool that goes with this video. He said, where there is love, there is life. Meaning, if you know how to love, then you know how to live, like really live. You know how to really live. Not just my life is really stressed out because I can't find the reason why I care for myself, but more something like everyone shares the same feeling I share all of the time, no matter what. That's the kind of love I'm talking about. I'm not talking about the superficial one. I'm talking about the energetic love. The love that you can feel emanating from others. Just because you're not in a relationship with someone, it doesn't mean that you cannot feel how you guys are meant to communicate with each other as humans. That's the love I'm talking about. That omnipresent love that never goes anywhere as long as whoever or however you're feeling is present. You can be love alone. You can be love with your friends. You can be love with your parents and your partner. It's a feeling, it's in here. How do you express that love? What is it to you? What is the meaning? Hold that feeling close. Speaking of love, we are in Friday. Today is Friday. Happy Friday, everybody. Friday is Venus Day. What does that mean exactly? Friday is ruled by Venus. Venus is the planet of love. Aphrodite and her belt of seduction. It's the planet of knowing self. How can you love if you don't know who you are? Knowing who you are is love. Completely knowing, not asking, knowing. Holding that truth deep inside. That is Venus. That is that love. Venus is a love that loves self intimately, knows self on a completely different level. 360, 24/7, 7 days a week love. If your life is turned around and love comes into your being, your life will turn right forward. You'll be back. And it's just a mindset. It's just an idea away. Love is just an idea away. Just choose that. It's just a choice, just a decision. But it emanates infinitely. And there's no feeling like it. Speaking from water sign, obviously. I'm Scorpio. I'm a Scorpio sun. It's a water sign, okay? Love is very tangible emotionally. Taurus and Libra rule the planet Venus, the planet of love. Taurus and Libra rule that planet. Why, you ask? Our atmosphere. Without our atmosphere, we would suffocate. We would be crushed by gravity. Our atmosphere keeps space away from us. It keeps us in human form. Without an atmosphere, we wouldn't be this. Everything would be floaty. Atmosphere is created from air. If there's an astronomer out there, you can clarify for me. But I strongly believe that. And if that's not a fact, if atmosphere isn't a fact, then oxygen is definitely a dividing factor as well. Without being able to breathe, there's no humanity. That's air. That's Libra. Libra is constantly, even though Libra is air, there's two other signs that are air and they're not ruled by Venus. Libra, though, is constantly focused on relationships. Constantly focusing on building relationships. Expanding outwards. Understanding communities. Becoming part of communities. By embracing relationships with others. Intimate, non-intimate. They're like masters of love, really. Libras are really good at love. They're really good at understanding human. Taurus, on the other hand, is really good at understanding self. So Libra's outside. It's like this. Libra's outside. Everything. Reaching out towards the outside world. Taurus is inside. Taurus is earth. Always grounded. Always focused on taste, touch, smell, sight. Always focus on all that stuff that is physical. It's all focused on human, being physical. Another good way to identify the facts is that Libra's erogenous zone is the butt. And everyone's always looking at people's butts, right? Don't know why, whatever. I'm sure we all know why. We all know why. Everybody knows why everyone looks at people's butts, okay? Don't look at me. That's community. Community looks at butts, okay? Community looks at butts and other body parts. Superficial, but very, very valuable. Taurus's erogenous zone is the neck. Why the neck, you ask? I have no idea. Communication. How do you ask for what you want? If you're hungry, how do you ask to be fed? Taurus is the best communicator. Hitler was a Taurus. You saw what he did? He's got a lot of people to do whatever he wanted. Through that communication. Through that throat chakra energy. Taurus has a throat chakra energy on lockdown. Libra has a I am physically attractive energy on lockdown. Big difference. Very important, both though. Taurus is feminine. Taurus likes to be touched, likes to communicate. Hey, touch me. Hey, reach out to me. Libra, on the other hand, doesn't care much for touch. Libra cares for community. Come in here with me. Share your time with me. Share your emotions with me. Share your feelings with me. Give me more. Look at me. Oh, wow. Look at my body. Look at how I look. Wonder how I feel. Be curious about me. That's Libra. They're both Venus, Aphrodite with her belt. You're attracted to me when I have my belt on. You know what? She used to, Aphrodite, the goddess Aphrodite would take off her belt and give her belt to her sisters so that they could attract people. Believe it or not, pretty dope. Women are very cool and empowered, even in the sense where they don't even need their power. They can not have their power and still be powerful. That's how awesome that the feminine energy is. How does Libra fit into all of this? Libra's feminine also, but not at the same way. That's the funny part, guys. That's the part we all get to understand as humans, is that just because Libra is masculine, it doesn't mean that Libra is a woman. Libra is a masculine energy. Libra isn't a woman. Taurus isn't a woman. Taurus is feminine energy. They're just energies. I'm feeling your vibe. That's that. That's what Taurus and Libra are. They're vibe. We're talking vibe here. This is a channel of vibes. We're vibing all day, 24/7. 5 days a week. You know what I'm saying? That's how it is. We vibe in Antoine's YouTube channel. If you really want to be on point about your life, your situations, check out your Venus. And don't look at horoscopes anymore because they're lame. Look at your Venus, and I don't care if you could either download an app to find out what transits the planets are in. Do that. It's very cool and valuable. If you can't figure out how to do that, there's an easy way to do it too. I challenge you. Go to Cafe Astrology, type in today's date, look at the birth chart of today, and then look at your Venus and compare it, because that energy from today is affecting you. I'll give you an example right now. We're only doing Venus, but you can do that with every planet. For example, today Venus is in Leo, meaning my Venus being in Libra, accentuating out through Leo and Venus. My Venus in Libra says, I am attractive. I am naturally attractive. I want you to understand that. For one. And then Libra into Leo expands even further outwards. Why? Because Leo is masculine as well and fire. Leo is fire. We have Leo fire and air Libra. What happens when air touches fire? It expands. It expands and becomes bigger. There's this big old flame expanding outwards through Leo because of Libra. Meaning, I'm getting stoked. I am blocking out the world and putting my perspective into this earth, onto this video. I'm imprinting myself. Better so, because Leo and Venus is helping me out. What's your Venus in? How is it affecting you? How is Venus affecting you? Is your Venus in a masculine sign or a feminine sign? If your Venus is in a feminine sign, an earth or a water sign, then Leo in that Venus could make you feel a little uncomfortable, but you'll still be you, because it's just a horoscope. Don't take it too seriously, but have fun. Do your homework / play work. Enjoy your life. Invest in yourself if you feel like it, if you're up to it. Another challenge I got for you. Another challenge I got for you is to invest in yourself by checking out my website. Buy what I'm offering. We could talk 24/7, probably the weekends. And I will let you know what you need to know about your life. Subscribe to my Patreon to help me out. And if you ask for it, I could do a special video for you. Let's take life seriously, guys. Let's do this. Let's enjoy ourselves. Stay happy and stay in love. Thank you.